I'm meteorologist Michael Estime. As you know, meteorological winter just ended on March the 1st, so I want to take a moment to recap what our meteorological winter actually looked like and to see whether or not our forecast was correct or not. So for December 2018, that's the first month of the meteorological winter, here in Cleveland at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, our average high temperature about 42.9 degrees. Typically for the month of December, we should be at about 38.3 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a difference of 4.6 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning that we were 4.6 degrees warmer than normal. And not only that, but we were also noticeably drier in the month of December as well. Typically, we should pick up about 14.10 inches of snowfall. We only picked up at Cleveland Hopkins International in the month of December about 2.8 inches. That led to a snowfall deficit, or what we should have picked up, of about 11.3 inches, and it wasn't just in the month of December. For January, we were warmer as well by about 0.5 degree Fahrenheit, and notice that our snowfall deficit for the month of January was about 2.8 inches. Not a ton, but when you add that to not only December, but also when you look at February, it leads to a whole lot in terms of our snowfall deficit for our meteorological winter season. In the month of February, this was last month, we averaged about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Typically, we should be at about 37.5 degrees Fahrenheit, a difference of about 3.3 degrees Fahrenheit. So in other words, it was about 3.3 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than normal. So February will be marked as being warmer than normal. And then for our snowfall, notice that deficit of 9.5 inches. So when you add all that together, again, it means that we missed out on a whole lot of snowfall in the winter months for meteorological winter in Northeast Ohio. So to recap, again, we were warmer than normal and we were drier than normal. Questions that are being posed are, why was this? Well, there's two main reasons. Obviously, global warming is one of them, but also El Nino. So what exactly is El Nino? Let's break it down real quick. This may look familiar. We talked about this earlier last year on what we were expecting El Nino's impact to be on our weather, but basically what it is a warming of the equatorial regions of the Pacific Ocean. That warming, as you know, kind of like a hot air balloon, leads to a lot of rising motion, so that created a lot of clouds, showers, and thunderstorms. That affected the United States by keeping us not only warmer, but also drier. That's exactly what you would expect during an El Nino setup in parts of the Midwest. So for our winter 2018-2019, yes, our forecast did verify, and we were warmer and drier for meteorological winter.